Vanity arrived on a crate. One piece. It's come with a small bag that's labeled hardware. It looks like a paint stick. Oh, it even has space. No wasted space.
Got the drawer cut out for the P-trap in the drain. And I've heard stories of sometimes tops are cracked, and this one is completely fine. So the packaging was good. So we're happy about that. It does have a backsplash. So you get your vanity installed, and then you would glue this to the back wall.
So cute. Can't wait.
It's in good shape. We're very happy to give this guy a try.